children, welcome back to Maths Made Easy. Today let's continue with mensuration word problems. Here is our seventh question. The length and breadth of the rectangular piece of land are in the ratio 5:3. That means it is in a ratio. That is, it is nothing but a quantity, right? Always ratio is nothing but a quantity. That is 5:3, right? And if the total cost of the fencing is at the rate of rupees 48 per meter, so per meter they are charging the rupees 48, and the total for fencing this total perimeter of this rectangular piece will be 19,200, right? So this is the total cost, how much he has to give for fencing this total his land piece, a piece of land. And this rupees is 48 is for 1 meter. How much is the charge? I hope it's clear what is this rupees and this one, right? And find its length and breadth of this rectangular piece of land, right? So this is a rectangular piece of land, and they said that it is in a ratio of 5:3. That means the unknown ratio is x. That's why, since it is are in the ratio of 5:3, so breadth is 3 and length is 5, right? So always in a rectangular piece the length will be higher. That's why this part is the length and this part is the breadth, right? Now let's write the given data. Let the unknown ratio be x, right? And since they have given the rectangular piece in the form of ratio, that is 5:3, so length is equal to 5x, breadth is equal to 3x, and we have to find out the length and breadth. For finding out length and breadth, we need perimeter, right? But they didn't given us the value of this perimeter, but they have given some indirect values like per meter. Cost of per meter fencing is 48, and the total cost of fencing that he has to pay for fencing his land is 19,200. So these are some indirect values. So from this we can easily find out the perimeter. How we can find the perimeter? Why we are finding perimeter? But we have to find only length and breadth, right? But we are finding perimeter because if we get perimeter, then you can easily get this x value. If we get this x value, then it is very easy to find out length and breadth. I hope it's clear why we are finding the perimeter. Now, how to find the perimeter from this indirectly given values is, see, total cost of fencing. What is the total cost of fencing means? He is going to fence all this boundary of his land. So this part, right? For 1 meter, they are charging 48 rupees, right? For 1 meter, 48 rupees. That means 48 into perimeter. That is perimeter into cost of fencing per meter. Then you will get 19,200, right? You should get it. So just substitute this 48 in place of this total cost of fencing per meter. So perimeter into 48 is equal to 19,200. I hope you got it how I got this, right? For fencing this total area, what is the cost of fencing per meter? For per meter he is charging 48 rupees. He has to fence for whole of this, right? So you can multiply it. So you will get the uh, total cost that you need to spend for fencing it. So that is 19,200. Right, children? Now, since we have to find the perimeter, get this 48 to the other side. Since it is multiplication between them, when it comes to the other side of the equal to, it becomes division. So perimeter is equal to 19,200 divided by 48. Now you can divide it by yourself and you will get perimeter is equal to 400. So the total, this value is 400. Now we all know the perimeter formula, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Now just substitute the value. What is perimeter of a rectangular land? It is 400. So just substitute the value over here. 400 is equal to 2 into what is L? 5x plus 3x. We all know according to the Bodemas rule, we have to solve the addition in the braces first, right? So just add it, because you don't have a division over there or the multiplication, you are having only addition. So just add it, you will get 8x. Now you can multiply it, 8 to the 16x. Now we have to find the x value. So get this, keep this x as it is, and get the 16 to the other side, it becomes division. So 400 divided by 16 will be 25. So x value is 25. Here the length and breadth was given in a ratio format, right? That means this is particularly divided with some number. So that is 25. Now just take this length is equal to 5x. What is x? 25. So 5 into 25, it will be 125 meter. Similarly, breadth is equal to 3x. What is x? 25. So 3 into 25 will be 75 meter. So here finally we got this length and breadth of this rectangular land. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for more problems on mensuration. Thanks for watching.